Hello students, from this year we are starting Commerce Toppers early bird batch. See what is the problem? Then in 11th Commerce, study starts from 15th June or 10 to 15 June and syllabus continues till the end of March. You will have your final exam in the month of April. So you are getting 10 months time to complete the syllabus. But the problem is traditional 12th commerce. See, not 12th commerce, traditional 12th commerce. In 12th commerce, your syllabus will start almost in the mid of April, but you will have hardly 20 days time. In this 20 days, you will get syllabus introduction, you will get introduction to the topics, and roughly with lot of dissatisfaction, you will complete one chapter. After that, you will have a break. Again on 15th June or 10 to 15 June, your 12th will start. You will have just 6 months to complete the syllabus. Within this 6 months, you will complete the syllabus, and then after you will have a very short period of time to complete all this. તમને દેખાશે બી નહીં, તમારે થોડું ઝૂમ કરવું પડશે. You have to complete revision. You have to complete all the doubts of tough topics. You have to complete the exams. You have to solve the gala. You have to solve the liberty. All the things you need to complete. And for this, you have just 1.5 months. દોઢ મહિનામાં બધું કરવાનું છે. So according to me, this is the height of hypocrisy. That for 11th standard, this is a height of mismanagement. For 11th standard, student is getting 10 months, complete 10 months. And compared to that, in commerce, they are having just 6 months and 20 days. Let's include those 20 days also to complete. Then the 1.5 months is for prelim exam, for pre-board exam, for doubts. All you need to complete in 1.5 months. What is the solution? The commerce topper student is a solution. We are starting on 23rd February our pre-board, our early board batches. 50% account and statistics will be done till 15th June. Now you will have enough time to go for tough topics. You have enough time for your doubts. You have enough time for the revision as well as practice. You can solve gala as well as liberty along with the syllabus. When others are just preparing, you are going for revision. And then you can give the exam with 100% satisfaction. Sure. Now the question may arise कि sir मतलब आ बैच मारे શું કામ join કરવાની? The reason is early completion of syllabus. You will have extra time for revision. The second, perfect planning of every week. मतलब sir तो गમે ત્યાં join કરી લો. You should ask for the perfect plan that how you will complete the syllabus. I will give you perfect week wise plan for completion of the syllabus. But sir મારું તો નાનકડું વેકેશન છે, મતલબ મામાના ઘરે ગયા વગર વેકેશન કેમ પતે? Okay, you will get live as well as recorded digital lecture. See, not lecture. You will get live plus recorded digital lecture. મારી બેચ નો ટાઈમ છે 5 to 6, but sir 5 to 6 તો મારે ફરવા જવાનો પ્લાન હતો. You can go for recording lecture. My lecture time is 5 to 6. Sir હું 5 to 6 પણ હું તો અમદાવાદ છું. Okay, ત્યાં તમે lecture attend કરી શકો છો. So you will get both the option. Third and the most important thing is best for the preparation of other exam. If you are preparing for IPMAT, તમારે 93% છે, Nirma is not going to give you admission on the basis of that. You have to go for IPMAT. You are preparing for CLAT. You are preparing for CA Foundation. You are preparing for ACCA. કોઈ બી એક કોર્સ તમારે સાથે કરવો છે. So in that particular case, this early bird batch will be very beneficial for you. Separate batch as per merit. 80 to 90% વાળા સ્ટુડન્ટ ને હું 60 to 70% વાળા સ્ટુડન્ટ સાથે નહીં બેસાડું. It is not convenient for any of them. And the most important thing is that just 2,500 is the fees and free if you are joining Commerce Topper for the whole year. Sir, કોઈ બીજા ક્લાસીસમાં જવું છું, it's okay. You can join the early bird batch over here. It is just 2,500. Okay, sir, मतलब I want to continue. 2,500 is not a fee for you. It is free of charge. Okay, so let's see you soon. I must say that you should join this batch with very minimum cost. You are getting very good amount of value. Thank you. See you soon.